So here let us find out the square root by long division method. So how to find this one? Here this is a number with the decimal point in this side, right, at the right end. So in this cases we are placing our bars, means we have to place the bars above the number, means we have to pair up the number. In which way? From the, if the decimal point is in this place, from there to the left end we will have to place the bar. Here we can see that 5 is left alone there. Now we have to choose the number. Here which number we should put a number same like this, in a such a way that when on multiplying these two numbers we should get a number equal to this number or less than that number. So I have to choose here, if 2 into 2 it is equal to 4. If I'm taking 3 into 3, what I will get 9. So I can't use this one because 5 is lesser than 9. So I have to go for this number. Okay, so here what I will do, I will place my number called number 2 here. So what happened? Now I will have to multiply these two numbers and I have to write that here. 2 2s are 4. And whenever I write a number over here, that same number I will have to place it here. Okay, I will have to add the number in that part. Now on adding I will get what number? 2 plus 2 I will get 4. Right? And now this part what I have to do is that I have to subtract them. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now in order to do the further calculation, I will have to bring down this number. When I bring down the next one, it comes like as a pair. Here the pair is 47. Right? Now I will have to choose which number I should put it here, same in the same way which number I should place it over there. So that is let me check with some numbers. If I am placing 2 over there, 2 into 2, what I will get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And let me check with the 3. 4 into 3 and 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So I am getting 129, which is nearer to close to this number. So I can go with this number. If I am choosing a number like the 4, if I am choosing over there, then that number will be greater than this number. So I can go with that number. So I will choose 3 over here. Now 3, that same, whenever I am putting the 3 over there, what I have to do, I will have to put that 3 here. Okay, and same 3 I will have to place it here and I have to add that number. Now here I will be getting what? 3 plus 3 is 6, then 4. Then while writing, place it in this way, because in the next step we will have to place another number. Okay, then now what I have to do is that, what is 43 into 3? I got 129. That number I will be placing it here. Now I need to again do the subtraction. 7 minus 9. So I will have to borrow here. It will become 17. And this part it will become 13. Here what I will get? 17 minus 9 is 8. Here what I will get? 1. So I got 1 8. Now I will have to borrow the next part. That means if I am borrowing the next one, again what will happen? The 6 as a pair will come down. That means I am getting the new number I am getting here is a 1856. Now I have to choose which number I should use it here, so that I will get a number close to 1856 or equal to 1856. Let me check those number. 4 6. If I am taking 3 here, 3 into 3 I am getting 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18, remainder 1, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. I am getting 1389. Let me choose another number. 4. Let me put the 4 over here. 4 4s are 16, remainder 1, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25, remainder 2, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18. So I got the same number, right? So I have to put here which number? 4. At the same time I will have to place that 4 over here too, so that we are getting what? 1856 here. So at the end I'm getting remainder 0. So what is the root of 54,756? Root of 54,756 is 234. Clear? Now let's do a number with a decimal point. The number is 1.5129. So in this case, since the decimal place is here, from left to right we have to mark the bars. Okay, means from the left to right we have to pair the number. So I'm getting a pair 51 here, then comes the 29. Okay, here since there is no number in front of 1, then 1 is left alone there. So I will have to put the 1 here, because if I am placing 2 there, what will happen? 2 2s are 4. So I can't use the 2. Instead I will be using the 1. So what happened? I will now subtract this 1 here. So I am getting 0. So I will have to borrow 51 down. When I will borrow 51, I will have to place my decimal point also. When I inserted the 1 there, I will have to add the 1 here in this place. So 1 plus 1, I got the 2, but I don't know which number I should place here. So let me check. Is it 2? 2 2s are, so I'm getting what, 44. So in my opinion it is 2 here. When I will place the 2 there, then I will have to multiply with the same 2 with this number. So 22 into 20 into 2, that I will be getting what, 44. That number I will be writing it over here. Then I'll have to subtract the number. 22 plus here, that same 2 I will add. What happens here? 22 plus 2, I will get 24. On subtracting here, I will be getting 7, and now I will have to borrow the next one, because if I need to do the further calculation, I have to borrow the next part, that is 29 will come down. So what will happen? I have to check whether which number will suit for my this part. Okay, if I'm putting 2 in this side, what will happen? I will be getting 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay, it is 489, 484. So it's not the number. So let me check with the next number. If I'm placing the 3 here, what will happen? 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, remainder 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So I'm getting 729, exactly the same number which I have to get. So here I will be placing 3, and this 3 I will have to place it here, so that I will get 729, and my remainder is going to be 0.